There's so many different things that you can talk about with personal injury, which is, first of all, like, you know, what are insurance companies doing right now? Like, if somebody's in an accident, or somebody's dealing with a claim right now, what are insurance companies doing as far as like delayed payments for if they're working on like skeleton crews and stuff like that? You know, are they processing claims? Are they doing stuff like that? Another thing that I would really do, just to get your name out there for personal injury, is start talking about liability for some of these businesses that are supposed to be open and they're not. So like, what happens if your boss makes you come in and then you get sick? Or what happens if you own a business and somebody gets sick one of your employees gets sick, and it was like a job where you could have done the work from home? You know, I mean, a lot of this stuff, I don't really know what a lot of this is, but it's just stuff that I'm just kind of making up. It's like, how do we relate the coronavirus and everything that's going on right now to your practice area? And then the other thing is, just think about like anyone that's been in an accident or anything like that recently. What are some of the issues that they're dealing with? What if someone gets into an accident right now and they can't get medical attention because the hospital is overrun with patients? Like, what happens in that scenario? You know, like, there's so many different things that you can talk about. It's like, you really just kind of need to sit down with a piece of paper and a pen and just do like a brain dump and think of like, what are all the problems that somebody that somebody is dealing with? Like, what if they get into an accident and then they can't go to the doctor, and how do they handle that situation? You know, what are some of the ways they can document that it actually happened, or, you know, different stuff like that?
Yeah, and to go along with what you're saying, spreading information like that is not only good for now, but it's something that you can carry with you in future current events. Just because we're talking about the coronavirus right now doesn't mean that 6 months from now you can't take something that's going on publicly and spread information based on that. But what you were just saying, Andy, is I like that a lot, because personal injury attorneys and criminal attorneys are the ones that are coming to me the most and asking me, how do I get the phones to ring? Can I cancel my account because I don't need you to answer my phones? But courts are closed, and if you could be spreading information and giving out information on when you can expect your case to resume, or how to go about preparing for your case, and what's going to happen, and just giving them the information to give them peace of mind, because a lot of what we're talking about is like the problems that are keeping your clients up at night, right? When I start anything new, or I try to give out some like helpful information, I try to think what keeps my clients up at night. And I sit down with a paper and a pen, and I don't even go through like analytics or keywords or anything like that. I just want to know the problem that I can help my customers solve. So think about, what's the problem that my customer is having right now that I can educate them on and be there for them while they're going through that problem, so that eventually I can be the solution to that problem.